Thank you, Chairman. The Hungarian computer guy can legally go to Czech Republic and make his work, and it's great. Of course, he went in the past, but he went on the black market. So one of the greatest achievements that now we can move legally. Only 8% of SMEs make their 15% turnover in the European markets. If we would simply double it, get to the 20% of SMEs would do 30% of their turnover in the internal market, then we could achieve what we want. After 1 year, I think we are on the way to do it, and I'd like to say thanks for all those who worked on the Services Directive in the past and those who implement it in the Member State. It has a great pulling effect on each single government to change for the e-governance and use the new ICT technologies. So I think that the small minor problems with the languages have to look carefully and have to improve. But the great success of the Services Directive has a great impact on the European economy in the next coming years. Besides the austerity programmes, this is the achievement. So congratulations to the rapporteur and those who participated.
Ja, tak. Bare lige en lille tilføjelse til det mit indlæg første, som jeg ikke nåede med det første. Jeg vil meget gerne understrege, at når vi nu mange talere her har været inde på, at der er lande, der stadigvæk ikke har fået styr på deres point of single contacts, så